My name is Carlos Escobar. I'm a senior marketing analyst for Kohler Generators. Yeah, the one thing we liked about Ansira was about their attentiveness to especially our business. They work with a lot of top clients in the manufacturing area, so that was one thing that kind of really interested us about the Ansira platform. So far it's been great, a lot of attention to detail, especially for our customers. We do a lot of dealerships, mom and pop dealerships all the way to multi dealership companies. So everything in between. And working with Ansira so far has been great because they've been kind of understanding our business, how we work, and then kind of implementing that into our platform. Working with the team at Ansira has been really great so far. Like I said, very attentive to our business, to the details, to everything that we're looking for our platform. Day-to-day kind of calls, day-to-day communications. Any issues come up, we communicate rapidly between each other. So it's been really great so far in our implementation project. Yes, our dealers have been really excited about the ease of use of the platform, especially for us. It's an all-in-one platform. So we used to have two platforms that did different things, and today it's only one. So that's one of the biggest benefits that Ansira has provided us, is just having the all-in-one platform and the ease of use, and then the ability to kind of change things on their own within the platform without reaching out to other support teams.